welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 12 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is adjectives, right? So in this chapter, we are going to talk about the adjectives. So what are these adjectives? Let me tell you. So adjectives are the words that are used to describe the nouns or the pronouns in the sentence, right? Because they describe the nouns and the pronouns, they are also known as the describing words, right? So let us begin with the chapter now and see what they are telling us about the adjectives in detail. Adjectives are describing words which tell us something more about a noun or a pronoun. कि एडजेक्टिव्स कुछ डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स हैं जो हमें कुछ ना कुछ बताते हैं एक नाउन या फिर एक प्रोनाउन के बारे में, राइट? एडजेक्टिव्स यूजुअली कम बिफोर द नाउन दे डिस्क्राइब. एडजेक्टिव्स यूजुअली एक ऐसे नाउन के पहले आते हैं जो जिन्हें वो डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, राइट? जैसे कि शी रोट अ ब्यूटिफुल ड्रेस, सॉरी, she wore a beautiful dress. It was very interesting film. Sometimes adjectives can come after the noun they describe. कि कभी-कभी adjectives noun के बाद भी आ सकते हैं जिनको वो describe कर रहे हैं. जैसे कि the dog is black. The oranges are juicy. Right? Now, next thing we have is types of adjectives. So, अब types of adjectives क्या हैं? Let's see. There are several different types of adjectives. कि बहुत सारे अलग-अलग types of adjectives हैं. They describe or express the following things. कि वो डिस्क्राइब करते हैं या फिर एक्सप्रेस करते हैं इन सभी चीज़ों को, राइट? जस्ट लाइक साइंस. सो इट इज़ लार्ज, स्मॉल, टॉल, हाई, वाइड, डीप, लॉन्ग, थिन, राइट? ईच एंड एवरी काइंड ऑफ साइज. शेप की कैटेगरी में आते हैं राउंड, फ्लैट, स्क्वायर, सर्कुलर, पॉइंटेड. Color, red, blue, green, purple, yellow. Quality, colorful, difficult, easy, happy, strong, old, warm and strange. Next is origin or nationality. So it is Indian, English, French, Japanese, American. Type or class. So it is automatic, electric, electronic, chemical, medical, political, weekly, monthly या फिर yearly. Next is material. So it is leather, cotton, plastic, paper, steel, wooden or woolen, right? Next, your own opinion. जैसे कि nice, nasty, beautiful, ugly, horrible, right? Now we have the kinds of adjectives. अब adjectives के kinds के बारे में जानते हैं. So सबसे पहला जो kind of adjective है that is adjective of quality. तो अब adjective of quality के बारे में जानते हैं. The adjectives of quality describe the quality of the noun like the color, size, shape, taste, state, etc. कि एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी जो है वो एक नाउन की क्वालिटी के बारे में हमें बताता है, जैसे कि उसका कलर, साइज, शेप, टेस्ट, स्टेट या फिर और भी चीजें। These are also called descriptive adjectives. इसीलिए हम इन्हें descriptive adjectives के नाम से भी जानते हैं। Example: Abdul Hamid was a brave soldier. The clever fox pleased the crow. Where is my white shirt? Lata sang a sweet song. So, adjectives formed from proper nouns are also adjectives of quality. कि जो adjectives हम proper nouns को use करके बनाते हैं वो भी adjectives of quality में ही count होती हैं. Just like Chinese food, Italian pizza, Indian dancers, Islamic art, Japanese car, American burger, right? Now we have a box to remember. Let's see what it says. Adjective of quality answers the question what kind. कि adjective of quality जो है वो हमारे question का answer करता है if the question is what kind. यानी कि जिस noun या pronoun की हम बात कर रहे हैं वो किस तरीके का है, वो कैसा है. Next, we have adjective of quantity. अब बात की जाए adjective of quantity के बारे में. So it says the adjectives of quantity indicate the quantity of a noun. कि adjective of quantity जो है वो एक noun की quantity के बारे में हमें बताते हैं. Correct? Just like there is enough food for all of us. There is some butter in the fridge. She takes great care of her health. Half of the earth always gets light from the sun. Right? Next we have remember box, which says adjective of quantity answers the question how much. कि adjective of quantity जो है वो एक क्वेश्चन को आंसर करता है जो कि है how much. We have adjectives of number. So, अब अगर हम बात करें adjectives of number की, so let's see what they are saying. That adjectives of number denote the number or order serial of its noun or a pronoun. कि adjective of number डिनोट करता है एक नंबर या फिर ऑर्डर को या फिर एक सीरियल को एक नाउन या फिर प्रोनाउन के. राइट? जब एक प्रॉपर नंबर हमें दिया गया हो तब वो एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर में कंसिडर किया जाता है. सो इट इज अ हैंड हैज 4 fingers and 1 thumb. Are there any birds in the nests? A few children are there in the class. There are no books in the almirah. Right? Next, it is adjectives of number are of 3 kinds. अब ये जो adjectives of number हैं ये भी आगे 3 kinds के होते हैं. अब वो कौन कौन से kinds हैं? Let's find out. So it is definite adjective of number, indefinite adjective of number, distributive adjectives of number. All these are the 3 kinds of adjectives of number. Right? Now, let's see कि adjectives of number आखिर क्या है. So it is the adjectives of number which give a definite number or order are called definite adjectives of number. ऐसे adjectives जो कि हमें एक definite number देते हो या फिर order देते हो उन्हें कहा जाता है definite adjectives of number. So the examples are 100, third, 10th, 1000 and first. Right? Next, the adjectives of number which give no definite number or order are called indefinite adjectives of number. ऐसे adjectives number के जो हमें कोई definite number provide नहीं करते हो उन्हें कहा जाता है indefinite adjectives of number. Just like example हमारे पास हैं all, many, several, few, some, any, none या फिर enough. Right? Next, the adjectives of number which show that the person or thing is taken one at a time or refer to each one of a number are called distributive adjectives of number. Right? तो ऐसे adjectives of number जो एक ऐसा person या फिर thing show करते हो जो कि एक टाइम पर हम लोग रेफर कर रहे हैं या फिर एक ईच वन ऑफ अ नंबर को रेफर कर रहे हो तब वो कहा जाता है डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ नंबर राइट सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव एवरी ईच नीदर ईदर some adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number are similar कि कुछ एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ क्वांटिटी और कुछ एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ नंबर एक जैसे होते हैं. These can be understood by their use in a sentence. कि इन्हें समझा जा सकता है इनके यूज के बेसिस पर जब हम सेंटेंसेस में इन्हें यूज करते हैं. राइट? We have a box to remember. Let's see what it says. Adjective of number answers the question how many. के एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर जो है वो आंसर करता है क्वेश्चन जो कि है हाउ मेनी यानी कि कितने. नेक्स्ट वी हैव डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. सो अब ये डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स क्या है? सो डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स पॉइंट आउट अ पर्सन और थिंग. कि ये जो डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स हैं ये एक पर्सन या फिर एक थिंग को पॉइंट आउट करते हैं. जैसे कि दिस रोड is full of puddles. That boy is weeping. These birds are chirping. Those kites are flying high. Right? Now we have remember box which says demonstrative adjective answers the question which. कि डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव जो है वो एक क्वेश्चन को आंसर करते हैं जो कि है विच यानी कि जब हम एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन को रेफर करते हैं तब हम इन डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स का यूज करते हैं. तो जब हम क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे विच यानी कौन सा तब हमें इसका आंसर मिलेगा. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. अब ये इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स क्या है? सो इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स आर यूज्ड before nouns to ask questions. कि interrogative adjectives ऐसे words हैं जो कि nouns के पहले यूज किए जाते हैं questions पूछने के लिए जब हमें questions put up करने होते हैं. Just like what sort of a man he is. Whose book is this? Which road shall we follow? Right? Now, moving ahead, we have the next, which is possessive adjective. So, now what are these possessive adjectives? So, possessive adjectives show possession of a noun. कि possessive adjectives noun का possession दिखाते हैं. यानी कि वो हमें help करते हैं जब हम इन nouns के साथ relationship, एक bond, right, belongingness दिखाते हैं. Just like her beauty is the talk of the town. His father lives in England. My house is made of red sandstone. Our friend has shifted his house. Right? Next, we have the order of adjectives. So, अब adjectives का क्या order है? Let's find out. So it is adjectives that describe shape, size or quality come before color adjectives. कि ऐसे adjectives जो describe करते हैं shape, size या फिर quality को, जो कि color adjective से पहले आते हैं, right? So example, a big red ball, a smart blue suit, a short purple skirt, a fierce black dog, large round blue eyes, right? Next, it is adjectives that describe shape, size or quality come before adjectives of origin. कि ऐसे adjectives जो describe करते हैं shape, size या फिर quality को, वो adjectives of origin से पहले आते हैं. Just like for example we have a tall Indian soldier, a beautiful Indian temple, juicy Australian apples, a fast Italian car. Next we have adjectives of size, shape or quality come before classifying adjectives. कि adjective of size, shape या फिर quality जो है वो classifying adjective से पहले आते हैं. Just like example है a long financial report, an expensive diamond ring, a difficult mathematical problem, a new medical center, right? So these were the positions of adjectives, right? Now, next thing that we have is formation of adjectives. तो अब adjectives के formation क्या है, right? So it is adjectives can be formed from nouns. कि adjectives जो है वो nouns के through बनाए जा सकते हैं, right? Just like child, childish, girl, girlish, fool, foolish, faith, faithful, play, playful, peace, peaceful, success, successful, fear, fearful, fear, fearless, pity, pitiful, mercy, merciful, mercy, merciless, day, daily, health, healthy, silence, silent, absence, absent, patience, patient, glory, glorious, courage, courageous, condition, conditional, hero, heroic, majesty, majestic, metal, metallic, quarrel, quarrelsome, need, needy, worth, worthy, worthless, worth, wordless, benefit, beneficial. Next, adjectives can be derived from words. कि हम adjectives को verbs के through भी बना सकते हैं. Just like move, movable, eat, eatable, inhabit, inhabitable, inflame, inflammable, attend, attentive, prevent, preventive, insist, insistent, know, knowledge, tire, tireless, cease, ceaseless, right? Next, we have adjectives can be derived from other adjectives. अब ये जो adjectives हैं ये दूसरे adjectives के थ्रू भी derive किए जा सकते हैं, जैसे कि chill, chilly, green, greenish, whole, wholesome, two, twofold, comic, comical, tragic, tragical, black, blackish, sick, sickly, white, whitish, three, third, right? So that was all about the adjectives. I hope you all are clear with them and their kinds and their formations also. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.